All right, this one's a super fun one, Deck the Halls. Make sure to stop the video right away. Like I always tell you, click on the description because I have the printable chord sheet for you to follow along with me. So in the key of G is what I'm going to teach you. We have 3 main chords, and then we have an A minor that I'm going to teach you, and then just a little simple throw-in 7 chord that I typically don't do on our channel because I like to teach the most basic way to play songs. But when you see carols, you often see 7 chords and a lot of minor chords. So I want to teach you a few today. So we are going to play a G chord, G, B, D, C chord, C, E, G, D chord, we have D, F sharp, A, and we have a triangle. And then our A minor is right here, A, C, E. And then our G7, we're going to play a G, but we're going to open our first finger up to this one note below, sorry, one whole step below, and that's F, B, D, and that is a G7. Okay, it just kind of adds that extra kind of little bit of a minor sound to it. And then in our left hand, when we place chords up here, in our right hand, we're going to play single notes down here. So we're going to play C, G, then we can open up our C to the D if we need to for that D chord, A minor. And the only glitch here is when you play a G7 up here, you're going to actually just play a G here. So normally they match up, see? C to C, G to G, see how it's G, G, and then like our D chord, D bass, D up here. But our G7, we're going to play G, open that thumb up, and then we're going to play G here. So it's going to be like it's playing a G with their F here, but that's actually a G7. Okay, so that's going to be your only thing that might toss you around a little bit. Okay, so let's just follow along a little bit. Deck the halls. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, G. Fa la 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 la, C, G7, and C. See how simple that is? Then we're going to just do the line 2 there. 'Tis the season to be jolly, G. Fa la la la, C, G7, and G on the bass there, and C. Don we now our gay apparel. Then we're going to jump to the A minor down there. Fa la 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 la. And then D. La la la. G7. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. F. Fa la la la. C. G7 and C. All right, that's it. Pretty simple. Have a lot of fun with this one. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. And deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. And deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carols, fa la 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 la. And deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel,